Good morning everyone, it's Nicole Martel. Welcome to my channel. Today I am unboxing the May album kit for my Creative Scrapbook. It features 49 Market chipboard album that is 6.5 by 8.5 inches with a 2-inch spine. And then we also have beautiful pattern papers that are perfect for summer from Echo Park. They're our Groovy Summer collection. We have die cut tags and some ephemera, and then we have a variety of chipboard, which are really pretty, and it complements the papers perfectly. We have another set of chipboard from Echo Park, and this is from the Have a Great Summer collection, which goes with this collection. We have a Best Day Ever die. And we have some stickers. I love the sticker sheets. They are perfect for adding layers and just filling in white space on your layouts. And I have a variety of patterns to flip through. I like that there's a pattern print and then there's a solid or a semi-solid on the back so that you have a variety to choose from. And I am going to be using this to create a mini album using the chipboard, so be on the lookout for that, which is coming on, I believe, May 7th. And if you like what you see, check out the description. I'll have a link in there so that you can purchase your kit today. Keep in mind, you do not have to be a subscriber to try a kit. So if you just think you want to try a kit before you subscribe, that's perfectly fine. There's a lot of different collections to choose from monthly. There's a main kit. There's an album kit. They usually have like a vintage kit. So check it out if you have some time. And just flipping through the rest of the patterns here. And I love the cherry print. It's super fun with that green. I'm going to definitely use that as well. And that's the kit for the album for the month of May. And thank you so much for watching today. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care. Bye.